Are you ready?
It's so cold!
Are you wearing like 3 layers of shirts?
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Oh god.
It's so cold! Okay, ready? Okay. Okay.
Is anything in your
Holy
short
Okay, okay.
Is there anything in your shorts?
No.
1, 2,
3.
3. 3! Woo!
Holy fuck!
Yeah! How was it? I had to help you out a little bit.
I got
Here, Brandon.
I wanna go home!
Fuck you, Zach. Put your clothes on. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Oh my god!
Dude, my eyebrow ring is fucking metal and it's frozen.